Welcome to today's class. So today we are going to discuss about triangle when there is no right angle within a triangle. So in this triangle there is no right angle or 90-degree within this triangle. So let's consider A is a point and of course angle A, another point B. So this is another angle, and C, another angle C. So A is not equals to 90-degree, B is not equals to 90-degree, and C of course not equals to 90-degree. In this case, what will happen? How to calculate the area of the triangle by using trigonometry, or maybe the side AB, BC, or AC. So for this solution, let's consider opposite of C. Let's see, this is a point C. So opposite of C, C, opposite of B, let's see B, and opposite of A, let's see A. There's three sides are here. Indeed, we could write down a theorem, a ratio theorem, that is A over sine A is equals to side B over sine B, and C over sine C. Now, if you'd like to determine the side of A, what we could write down? So A square is equals to, we could write down rest of the sides square, so B and C square minus 2BC and cos of A, right? So when we are talking about A square, it means cos of this angle, cos of A. Same as if we like to write B square, so B square is equals to A square plus C square minus 2AC cos of B. Same as C square is equals to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos of C. And if you'd like to calculate the area of this triangle ABC is equals to half of AB and the sine of C. So this is the very fundamental discussion about the trigonometric problem we're going to solve when there is no right angle triangle. In this case, we have to use these equations.